Hi, this is Ashim Gulati.
Hi, this is Neha Sharma.
Hi, this is Aditya Seal.
And you're watching us on Bollywood Hungama.
Now we have this quiz for you guys that and which is primarily that time to prove your love and loyalty for Anubhav Sinha. That how well do you know Anubhav Sinha?
Wow.
So we'll ask a few questions and there's this you can win something for that.
He's already answered these?
Who?
Anubhav sir?
No. Why will? So you can win a headphone if whoever is a winner. So the idea is that we'll ask you questions, and whoever answers them first and correctly. So that's how the
game works.
the meter works. Meter works.
Just the meter.
Just the meter. Okay. And whoever has maximum points, so you've just won this wonderful headphone for yourself. Should we start?
Yeah.
All right. So how well do you know Anubhav Sinha? Anubhav recently produced a women-centric film with
Gulab
Madhuri
Gang.
Dixit. Gulab Gang. That is one. What is Anubhav Sinha's birthplace?
Banaras.
Banaras. Allahabad.
Allahabad. Yeah. So it's like 1-1, and Neha Sharma has to.
They are very fast. Before my brain starts working, the answer's out.
आपको पहले भी कहीं देखा है जाल द ट्रैप और तथास्तु? Which of these films is
Tathastu. Not. Down the trap.
At least the question needs to be over, guys.
So actually, both of you have said it like at the same time. Actually, it's like difficult to decide. Neha, will you just help me out? That आपको किसने faster बोला है?
मुझे लगता है आदित्य. Can you
Aditya
like replay or something?
Yeah.
I think Aditya did.
Okay, so we'll go with the lady. So 2-1, but lady has to start the score herself actually. So
Ashin तू मैं चुप हो जाए अभी.
नहीं
Alright,
यार,
question.
नहीं
नहीं
यार.
तो
Go ahead,
एंड
go
में
ahead.
हम लोग आधा आधा कर लेंगे ना.
एक कान तो रख.
when is Anubhav Sinha's birthday?
Oh, I was there.
Just a date. We are not looking at his age and everything.
22nd June.
All right, so she's got it.
Wow.
1 and 2. Okay, so the lady is in contention now. Anubhav Sinha's true or false? You have to say whether it is true or false. Anubhav Sinha's thus had the biggest opening weekend for the year 2005. True or false?
False.
True.
It's true. So it's like 2-all and 1.
Okay.
Okay. Anubhav Sinha has worked with Sanjay Dutt in 3 films, including special appearances. If you can name 2 of them.
Das.
Das.
And
Tathastu.
And one more.
He said name two.
Okay.
So actually, she has said 1,
Pita tha.
and he has said 1. So if
आधा
ये
आधा
nice
कर
है
लेंगे.
बात है 10.
yeah, huh?
ये nice है 10.
Even you said das as well. So all of you have said like say 1. So अगर एक और आप लोग बता देंगे, so I think
You said Tathastu already, na?
das and tathastu. Anything else? It was Diwali release as well.
He said including special appearances.
Yes. Special appearances, yes. Diwali release के beyond और क्या बता सकते हैं मतलब? What bigger it gets?
जो Facebook लाइव पे है ना. ये देखे जैसे.
Diwali release.
Oh, Ravan.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
So it's like 2-all
I didn't
for
see that
2-all for all of you. Anubhav Sinha completed his graduation in mechanical engineering from which university?
Allahabad.
Allahabad. Allahabad Muslim University.
AMU.
Allahabad.
Aligarh Muslim
Aligarh.
University.
AMU, I
Sorry.
said
I
AMU.
think he said first.
Okay, fine.
He said first. So
Why you
3.
said Allahabad?
Okay, so last question. I don't know how,
I'm
whether
one
you
up.
get it, but he is.
But this one even
he's
I said,
scoring,
yeah, Aligarh. You confused
You
me
said
by Allahabad.
Anubhav. You said Allahabad.
He said Allahabad. I was going to say Aligarh.
I said
AMU.
Okay, fine. fine.
नेहा जी अभी
Allahabad
how do we
हो
know
सकता
that
है.
आप क्या सोच रहे हैं that so it's like the
Heating up, man. It's heating up.
palpitation is heating up, the
देखो एक तो मुझे मिल रहा है
heartbeats are already there. What are the names of Anubhav Sinha's parents?
Oh, fuck. I don't know that.
No, it's fine.
Alright.
Govind
Okay.
and... Someone's phone vibrating. Put it on silent.
It was his Wi-Fi name.
Prem Govind Sinha and Sushila Sinha. So by a virtue of a whisker, she can have like a half point, but still, by a virtue of
A whisker.
whisker, Aditya Seal has
won it.
made a badi bada sa victory actually, and here is the.
And I would like to
headphone
thank my
all
parents
you.
for this.
Thank you for letting him out.
My parents, thank you Anubhav sir, for telling me so much about you that I could win this.
पता कितनी घबराहट हो रही थी.